We are going to start by cutting our olives in small pieces, and then we're going to add it to a mortar. We also will be adding some oregano, capers, black pepper, some sea salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And the reason why we use a mortar instead of a blender is because we want to have that effect of chunkiness in the olives when we cut the bread. Now we're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. And finally some white vinegar. And now let's pass to the dough. Let's try and make a pizza shape. Once you have the shape you wanted, start adding the mixture and evenly spread it all around. This is really fun, guys. Now add the mozzarella cheese. Some olive oil and let's roll it. Quick tip, remember to cut your pieces as thick as your oven mold. Once you take it out of the oven, this is what they look like. I'm going to open one for you to see what's inside. Oh yeah, so it's super crunchy outside. It's a bit hot. Ooh, look at that cheese.